Go high level for digital marketers. This tool has been getting so much attention, but the real question is, does it actually help you to boost your lead and get more conversions, or is it just another shiny platform? Well, in this video, we are going to break it down in a simple way so you know if Go High Level is really worth it for your business or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to save time while growing faster. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check the link in the description for some special deals and extended free trial. And by using the link in the description, you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. Okay, so let's get started. Go High Level is basically an all-in-one platform, and what that means is instead of using separate tool for funnels, email, landing pages, scheduling and CRM, you just log in here and everything is under one roof. For digital marketer, that's huge because honestly, managing 5 or 6 different tools can eat up both money and your time. Now, when it comes to boosting leads, Go High Level gives you a lot of firepower. You have got a funnel builder that works kind of like ClickFunnels but with more flexibility. And you can drag and drop your pages together without needing to code. You can capture leads directly into the built-in CRM, which keeps everything organized and in one place. So no more messy spreadsheet or trying to remember who is who. But the real magic is in the automation. Imagine someone signs up for your lead magnet, right? Instantly they get tagged and they enter a workflow. They receive a welcome email and maybe even a text message reminder. All of that happens without you touching a thing. That's the part that really boosts the conversions because we are following up at the perfect time every time. And let's talk about the client work for a second. If you are an agency or freelancer, Go High Level makes you look like a pro. You can white label the whole platform, meaning your clients log in and it looks like your software. That builds the trust and it also lets you to charge more because you are not just offering a service, you are offering a full platform. Now, of course, nothing is perfect. Go High Level can feel a little overwhelming when you first log in. There are just so many features, and if you are not comfortable with tech, it might feel like a lot. But once you get the hang of it, you will realize why so many marketers are switching to it. Because it saves money, reduces the stress, and honestly gives you more control. Now let's talk about the pricing. Go High Level starts at around $97 per month, but the real magic, which is in the agency plan, it starts at the $297 per month. So I hope now you understand how it works and how it can help you to generate more lead and more conversion. So if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.